Clear instructions create a safer workshop. Follow instructions carefully. Listen, observe, follow. Stay safe while you learn.
Students should not touch machine. Huh?
Unclear and incorrect instructions can lead to accidents. Use clear, imperative sentences to ensure a safe workshop. Imperative sentences in instructions are sentences that give direct commands, directions, warnings, or advice. The subject you is not mentioned in the sentence because it is understood. Here is the structure of imperative sentence: base verb with object or complement. For example, we do not say, "You wear safety goggles," but instead, "wear safety goggles." Please switch off the machine. Check the equipment before use.
I will, ma'am.
Follow the safety procedures. We can also use imperative sentences in instructions to tell someone what not to do. This is called negative imperative sentences. For the structure of negative imperative sentence, we begin the sentence with the word do not or never before the base verb. For example, do not enter the workshop without safety shoes. Always make sure that you have yours on. Do not distract others while they are operating equipment. Never remove safety guards from machinery. It's quiz time! Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer before the countdown ends. Good luck! Which sentence is a correct imperative sentence? The answer is B. Which instruction is correct? The answer is A. Which sentence gives a clear instruction? The answer is A. Which sentence uses a negative imperative? The answer is B. Which sentence is the best workshop instruction? The answer is B. Great job! Today, we learned how imperative sentences help us give clear instructions and maintain safety in the workshop. Remember, clear instructions reduce confusion, prevent accidents, and create a safer learning environment.